Hello subscribers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today's new as cargo ship attacked in Gulf of Guinea. Cargo ship was attacked by pirates at around 0430 Jan 30 in Gulf of Guinea south of Lome, Togo. Ship's tracks in the area point to bulk carrier Relic. She was en route from Canary Islands to Lagos, Nigeria, stopped and then began to loop around on Jan 27. Most likely waiting out until receiving OK to proceed to Lagos port. As of 0600 Jan 30, she was either drifting or moving dead ahead in attack area. If Relic was attacked, she was probably boarded. Awaiting ID confirmation and updates. Bulk carrier Relic, IMO 9,575,216, DWT 63301. Built 2012, Flag Marshall Islands, Manager Eagle Bulk Ultraco LLC, USA, Equasis.